everyone, welcome to the PDNob channel. Copying text from images and trying to type out a document manually can be a frustrating task. PDNob Image Translator makes it fast and easy. PDNob Image Translator has accurate OCR, fast extraction and translation, and an easy-to-use interface. You don't need any prior technical knowledge to be able to use this software. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly extract and copy text from any image using this powerful AI tool, whether it's a screenshot, a scan page, online images which do not allow text selection, or a photo of a document. You'll see just how simple the process can be. One of the most outstanding features of this AI tool is the ability to extract just about any text in many different languages. It's not limited to only English language. To start, visit the link in the description to download PDNob Image Translator to your Windows PC or Mac. On the official PDNob website, you'll find a range of productivity tools, but today we're focusing on the Image Translator. Click Get Started to download the executable file and then follow the installation instructions. Once installed, you can find PDNob Image Translator in your system tray. This is where all the text extraction magic happens. To demonstrate how it works, click on Import and use the Windows File Explorer to select an image containing the text you want to extract. I'll begin with a picture that has some English text. As we move on, I'll show how it handles other languages too. But before we continue, let's briefly go over the interface. On the left, you'll see a thumbnail preview of the imported images. The center display area shows the current image you're working on. And on the right, you'll find the extracted text. Here, you can highlight, edit, and append the text as needed. The display area also has rotation and zoom controls for a better view of your image. Once the image is ready, you can proceed to text extraction. Use the menu below the image display to select the language of the text. In this example, it's already set to English, and you can see the results here. If I wanted to translate the text into another language, like French, I'd simply select French from the menu. After extracting the text, you can either copy and paste it into a word processor or export it as a PDF text file or doc. You can choose between a single output, which combines all results into one document, or a multiple output mode, which keeps each image's output as a separate file. Next, I'll demonstrate text extraction from images with non-English characters. This second image contains Chinese characters. As you can see, PDNob Image Translator accurately extracts the text. The third image contains Korean characters, and by selecting the correct language, I can extract the text effortlessly. Now, instead of exporting these texts, I'll copy them from PDNob Image Translator and paste them into a word processor. You can see that the text is almost perfect and ready to be edited. PDNob also allows you to extract text from live content, such as documents, videos, and websites where copying text is difficult. For example, I'll demonstrate using this web page. Head over to your system tray, find the PDNob Image Translator, and right-click to select Screenshot and Recognize. Highlight the area of text you want to extract, and within seconds, the text appears. This tool works for any clear and legible text, including a variety of handwritten scripts. With the PDNob Image Translator, copying text from images or even live content is incredibly simple and fast. Most importantly, you can extract text in several different languages. Give it a try for your own text extraction needs and let us know how it works for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and drop any questions or suggestions in the comments. Thanks for watching.